here are the file paths that you'll need to install a script into After Effects. This is the Windows file path. This is the Mac one. I'll be demonstrating on Mac. So here I have my file, my script file, and it ends in .jsx.bin. Sometimes a script file will end in .jsx, but I can copy that file with Command C. And now we're going to navigate over to our applications folder in Mac and to whatever version of After Effects you want to install this script on. If you want it on multiple versions of After Effects, you'll have to repeat this process. So here I've navigated to After Effects 2020 and into my scripts folder, and here's my ScriptUI panels. So that's where I need to paste my JavaScript file into, this file right here. And you could also drag it in or copy paste it into the ScriptUI panels folder. Once you're done with that, you can quit After Effects and reopen it. After quitting and reopening, you can click on the window option in the menu bar, and then you'll notice your script is available there. Another thing that you may want to consider is in your After Effects preferences. If you click all the way to the bottom to scripting and expressions, there are options to allow scripts to read and write files. So not all scripts need this, but some scripts will break if this is not checked on. So I would recommend checking that on. And that's it for how to install a script into After Effects. Hopefully this video is useful. Thanks.